Your angel is urging you to avoid making this grave error. It can be tempting to give up or settle for less than you deserve, but your angel wants you to know that doing so would mean missing out on the amazing blessings that are still to come. Stay strong, hold fast to your faith, and have faith that everything is working out for your highest good. Don't lose hope in times of doubt and fear. Don't allow short-term difficulties to overshadow the lovely future you have in store. Your angel is leading you to keep on the right path toward your goals. Before anything else, let's take a time to give thanks to the Lord for His unending love, grace, and mercy. God is constantly with you, guiding and safeguarding you in every moment, guaranteeing that you are never alone. No matter what obstacles we face, never stop giving thanks to God for everything. His plan is perfect, just like this video, which you should watch through to the very end as a sign of your gratitude and faith. His blessings are all around us. When we keep a grateful heart, we invite even greater blessings into our lives. God will end your suffering, bring back what you've lost, and supply all of your material needs. You are going to experience benefits and favors, and all will work out for the best. Have faith in God's timing and plan as you begin a new era of peace, progress, and joy. God is getting ready to bless you with both spiritual and financial growth, changing your life in ways you never would have imagined. Take comfort in the knowledge that your challenges are fleeting and the breakthrough you've been praying for is on the way. As you continue to walk in faith, doors will open and opportunities will present themselves, leading you to the success you've longed for. Dear God, I ask that you bless anyone who is having financial difficulties. Forgive them of their debt, lighten their load, and send them unexpected checks in the mail. Let them feel your abundance and provision, allowing them to experience your abundance and provision, allowing them to find serenity and security in their finances. May your blessings overflow in their lives, bringing them to a stable and prosperous place. Watch this video through to the very end to get these financial benefits. The season of poverty is ended. Abundance is your new reality. Let your heart be open, your trust strong, and your spirit prepared to embrace the bountiful grace and favor that God has in store for you. My young one, no matter how alone or dejected you may feel in your moments of doubt, know that I have vowed to stay by your side and that I never back down. I want you to know that I am always here for you. As your loving parent, I want you to know that I am carefully and purposefully planning every aspect of your life, even when it seems difficult or there are obstacles in the way. Trust that everything will work out for the best in due time. The life I have planned for you is beyond anything you could have possibly imagined. When doubt creeps in and the world tries to make you feel small, remember that you are royalty in my kingdom. I have breathed life into you and crowned you as my beloved, destined to reign in confidence and grace. No one can change who you truly are unless you allow them to. Your worth and your future are determined by my unwavering love, not the opinions of others. Loom large, trust that I am working behind the scenes to guide you towards your destiny and blessings. Though the journey may be difficult at times, I promise that the rewards that lie ahead are worth far more than the temporary hardships you endure. Trust that the difficulties you've faced are only stepping stones to the abundant blessings I have in store. Even in your darkest moments, when the heartache feels too much to bear, don't give up. Someone is always speaking up for you, and I will never leave you. I am your constant companion, guiding you, protecting you, and laying the groundwork for your breakthrough. This September marks a key period as predicted in Isaiah 43 verses 18 to 19, a period to leave the past behind and embrace the future. Behold, a fresh door of opportunity is now opened before you, ushering in a season of regeneration and transformation. The hardships you have faced have been purposefully designed to prepare you for this particular moment, enabling you to fully realize your destiny, so please don't worry. Accept this season with open arms and unwavering faith in my divine timing, for I am arranging every aspect to usher you into a state of bliss, tranquility, and abundant riches. My dear child, have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to manifest? The answer is simple. If you're a spiritual person looking to change your life and that of your close circle, you need something different. The future I have for you is more spectacular than you can imagine, filled with blessings that will leave you in awe of my love and provision. Type 1111. To claim these promises and step into the life I have prepared for you, my beloved dear child, this 1-minute prayer from biblical times generates money and prosperity into your life. Would you like it? Southwest, pay special attention to this message. Once you hear it, you will start attracting wealth and abundance in less than 7 days. Blessings will flood your life. To learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer and how to draw riches and wealth into your life, click the link below. The deepest wishes of your heart are going to be fulfilled by God, and you will be ecstatic that you persevered through the difficulties and the calm uncertainty moments. It's impossible for things to stay the way they are forever. Change is inevitable, and it's coming in the most beautiful form. You'll start to notice a shift in this transformative season 1, where the person you prayed for in those solitary times when it was just you and God is on their way to you. The season of waiting, while challenging, has been preparing you for this very moment. Experiencing a slight increase in the brightness of the sun and a slight increase in wind force are indicators of the impending breakthrough. The enemy may have attempted to withhold your blessing, but they will eventually be unable to do so. God has withdrawn the demand He was placing on your miracle at this very moment. This time of waiting is not in vain. Every moment of waiting and every prayer spoken in faith has been preparing the ground for what is about to happen. The blessings you have imagined and hoped for are on the way, and they are manifesting in ways that will astound you. The changes that are about to take place will bring a renewed sense of hope and a fresh perspective. You will see God's promises come to pass and experience a deep sense of joy and fulfillment as you embrace this new season. Remember to be gentle with yourself. This affirmation serves as a reminder of the significance of practicing self-compassion as you navigate the unfolding blessings. It's an acknowledgement that you have shown endurance and patience, and now is the perfect moment to rejoice in the blessings of your perseverance and faith. You are entering a new chapter full of grace and plenty, and your miracle is no longer just a far-off hope. Hold on to this promise and keep an open mind to the wonderful changes that are soon to come. Now is the time for you to make a breakthrough, and you are in a great place to receive all that God has in store for you. Transformation is a deep and frequently turbulent process that may seem to be tearing you apart at the seams. It's a trip that requires you to part with the familiar and comfortable. In those early stages of transformation, it's only natural to feel a strong pull towards the past. The familiar, even the very beliefs and identities that have long defined who you are, as these deeply rooted aspects of yourself begin to unravel, can be an incredibly painful and unsettling experience. It's like watching the intricately woven tapestry of your life slowly unravel thread by thread until all that's left are scattered fragments, pieces that you must now painstakingly work to reassemble into something new. The strong desire to cling to what is familiar and safe might make it difficult to resist the urge to turn back. Even though it may have been flawed, that old, familiar identity can provide a comforting sense of stability and a life raft in the turbulent sea of evolution. But in order to truly transform, there is no turning back. The old beliefs and patterns have been burned away and reduced to ashes in the crucible of change. With a deep, steadying breath, you brush off those ashes and stand tall, surveying the unfamiliar landscape that now lies before you. It's a daunting task. Consider your life as a blank canvas with a lot of disparate parts that don't quite fit together in a meaningful way. However, in the middle of all of that uncertainty, a deep realization starts to dawn, a love for yourself that is pure and unadulterated and that melds with the very core of who you are. This isn't just surface-level self-acceptance. It's a deep, unwavering appreciation for who you are. Flaws and all, as this love takes root, everything shifts. The world around you takes on new meaning, and you find depth and purpose in places you never knew existed within. Life is no longer about chasing external goals or seeking validation from others. Instead, you become your own reason for being, a living, breathing embodiment of your truest self. It's a profound and liberating experience, this journey of self-discovery and rebirth. And while the path is anything but easy, the rewards are truly transformative. With each passing day, the pain of becoming grows quieter, replaced by a sense of passion and purpose that infuses every moment. You wake up with a renewed energy, a mission not just to survive but to thrive, to guide others towards that same freedom of being, that unshakable love for oneself. For you have come to understand that this is what life is truly about, living authentically, fully, and unapologetically, as the person you were always meant to be. And as you stand on the threshold of this new life, you are filled with a deep, unwavering faith. You know with every fiber of your being that the God who has brought you this far is bigger than any obstacle, any doubt, or any fear. This is the God who can transform the darkest night into the brightest day, who can turn despair into hope and replace fear with courage. All that's left to do is say 888, and step into this new chapter of your life with unwavering faith and unshakable courage, because the best is truly yet to come. Thank you for giving me life and happiness, and for guiding me down the right path of peace and salvation. I love you. Please hit the subscribe button to support our channel and be the first to know about new videos. With this confidence and trust, you step forward ready to embrace the abundance that is coming your way. The goals you've set, the relationships you've been seeking, and the blessings you've been praying for are all about to manifest.